why do we need to do valuation of an intangible asset? So valuation of intangible assets are required for many reasons. Number one, in case of mergers and amalgamations, as required as per Ind AS 103 on business combinations, uh, valuation of intangible assets are required for the purpose of purchase price allocation in case of merger or amalgamation. Number two, valuation of intangible asset is required for transfer pricing purposes in case of transfer inter se related entities. Number 3, valuation of intangible asset is required for transaction negotiation involving transfer of intangible assets. So whenever there is a transfer of an intangible asset for negotiation purpose, valuation of that intangible asset of course is necessary. And in any case, unless you know as to what is the tentative value, what is the fair value of this asset, you will not be able to do the transaction. So the reason number 3 as to why the valuations of intangible assets are required, and that is for the purpose of negotiating the transactions. Number 4, valuation of intangible assets are also required for the purpose of litigation relating to infringement of intangible rights. So in case somebody is infringing somebody else's rights on intangible assets, or IPR as these are commonly known, intellectual property rights. So if someone is misusing or abusing somebody's IPRs, and therefore to pursue the litigation in such matters, valuation of the intangible assets become necessary. Number 5, intangible are to be valued for the purpose of family settlement as well. As all of us will know, there are so many cases in this country where there have been family split, and as a result of that, the family assets needed to be divided among the family members, and that is where the valuation of intangible asset became necessary. So basically, friends, if you think about it and if you pay attention to it, you would realize that the valuation of intangible assets basically is required for every purpose for which valuation of tangible asset is also required, and that is these are the reasons for which valuation of intangible assets is necessary.